so here I have a leftover piece of fabric that I used to make my outfit for DragCon in New York. So basically most people would think just to throw this away, but you can actually do some cool things with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a belt that accents this and this and ties these purples together. So take it, roll it, roll it. Pull it around, tie it, tie it again, and then this is the point where you can kind of make it a flower, so you can kind of tuck everything around, twist it, whatnot. If you don't want to bother with the phrase, it's okay because it actually kind of gives it a cool abstract flower look. You get it exactly the way you want it, and then basically you can also turn around at the same time and do these. Oops. Alright, but here we go. Homemade belt ties the outfit.